Hi everyone, this is Phantom Toys and welcome back to another cool video. In this video we are unboxing some amazing Hot Wheels, track stars and custom cars. So let's get right into the unboxing. The first car we have is 2020 Hot Wheels Warp Speeder car number 1 after 5 from the Track Star series. We have this car in blue color and got some black, orange and white stripes and patterns on the top and on the side. We have the Track Stars logo on the rear. We have the black metal base and yellow tinted windows. This car have yellow and orange wheels. The second and the last car we have is the 2020 Custom 71 El Camino, the car number 8 out of 10 from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. We have this car in metallic grey color and some black and grey flames on the metal body. It has grey interior and smoke tinted windows. The most amazing thing about this car is that it has 2 jet engines on its back which look crazy. That's all now for this video. If you want to see more Hot Wheels videos, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Phantom Toys. I will catch up you in the next Hot Wheels video.